we also make hydraulic systems, right? So at my company, 𝐂𝐭. Somehow the accent has always been in terms of trying to make a perfect system, an efficient system, a good system. But I find that from the economics point of view, we sometimes cross the customer expectations. We're not able to produce it that uh, at the price that the customer would want. What is your guidelines to your design people? Would you rather go in for a better system or a cheaper
Well,
system?
I can answer that very simply. On almost all the power packs that are supplied to the machine tool industry, I lose money
Okay.
because I don't compromise quality.
So why would you I mean, I'm part of that ecosystem, right? And I'm saying, why are we continuing to do this? I'm
Okay.
part of the culprit.
Okay,
Like,
because we have made better designs which have good or better performance and lower cost.
right.
So we are hoping to be able to change those. For example, now we use aluminum tanks, which are imported from China, which are very expensive also. So they can be replaced by steel tanks. Majority of power packs that we make are from steel tanks.
Right.
So if the customer agrees for steel tanks, it's a significant reduction in manufacturing cost for me, and performance will be as good.
Absolutely.
So those are the ways in which we hope to be able to make at least some margin or at least stop bleeding. But we have 80-90% of the market, so I can't let down my customers. So,
But you're in an important position to guide them.
yes, but see, machine tool people are capital equipment manufacturers
Absolutely.
who,
Yes.
by nature, have to be very conservative, because something which is very small can affect the performance of the capital equipment. So they take their own time, and I understand because I've been working with them, I've been a part of them. I understand their mindset. But over a period of time, definitely, I'm sure they will
I
agree
mean,
to
sometimes
change.
I wonder how you're able to produce it at that price.
No, no. I told you very honestly, I lose money, and every board meeting I get a bashing from our board of directors.